In this video, I'm gonna show you how to reorder apps on your home screen for your Mi Smart Projector 3 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to navigate to the settings button in the top right corner of our screen. It's this little gear icon. Click OK on that, and from here find device preferences at the bottom of the page. Click on the middle button, and from here find the home screen. Select it, and in the apps section right here, you'll be able to reorder apps. Simply press on it, and from here, as you can see, I'm moving YouTube app to different position like that. Then I press OK. It lets go of the YouTube, and I can move around again freely and select another app with OK, which is Google Play Store. And now let's move it next to the YouTube. So that way you can just adjust apps however you want on your home screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.